Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can print objects bigger than your print area in PRUSASLICER. Now basically in order to do this, we have to divide our part from one way to another. So in my case, I'm going to be using this example right here. The first thing that you want to do is to actually select your model, and then we are going to apply the cut function. Now in order to make this a lot easier, we are going to add the join function in order to simply combine them right after printing these individual parts together. So right after aligning your cut, you also want to click on add connector and just click on the place where you want to add your connectors. In my case, I'm going to add multiple ones from here, 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 and here. And that way we have the ability to secure these parts together. Now, of course, you can increase your depth, your size, and the rotation itself. In my case, I'm going to be fine with this one. Once again, you could edit this the way you want to, but generally right after adding your connectors, you could just click on confirm connectors, click on perform cut, and then it will cut our objects into two pieces. Now this is really important because now they're in individual parts, and as you can see, the other one has the joints and the other one has the holes. So in that way, we'll be able to connect them together easily right after printing these individual parts. So let's head over to our objects. It's going to be this one. You want to right click on the first part. So right click on it, click on the export as STL or OBJ, and then you can just save this for later. And basically right after that, let's just delete this on our plate. And then what you want to do is to print the first part right here. Right after printing the first part, let's click on the add button, add the second part. Let's say it's going to be this one. And now you want to delete the printed objects, just print the second part, so on and so forth. So if you have a really big object, you want to apply multiple cuts if you need to. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.